Wake me up when September ends. Yoo-hoo! September is here, so guess what am I going to unbox today? Hello everyone, it's me Deborah again, your annoying girl. In February, the POCO X2 was just revealed, but behold, dang, 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 the POCO X3 NFC is finally here. So, what have they upgraded and improved? Check it out. First, the X3 comes with two color variants which are cobalt blue and shadow grey. It also weighs 215 grams. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 is at the front and the 3D curved glass at the back. As beautiful as it looks, but it easily gets fingerprint stain. You don't like it? I don't like it. So better use a protection to prevent that. I mean, the phone casing. Another thing that kind of confused me is about the color. So, sometimes it looks like black and sometimes it looks like navy blue under the sunlight. On the bright side, at least this makes my phone like a chameleon. It features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD dot display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. You know, the usual, like most gaming phones nowadays. The X3 comes with a Snapdragon 732G chipset, 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. If you think this is not enough for your daily use, you may slot in a microSD card that go up to 256GB. I personally think this phone quite suitable for gaming because of the low latency touch sampling rate, so you can respond faster than usual in the game. Besides that, it comes with the Liquid Cool Technology 1.0 Plus, so your phone won't get hot easily. Like me. For audio, it comes with a dual stereo speakers. If you don't want that, you can also plug in your headphones into the audio jack. To lock and unlock the phone, you can choose to use the fingerprint scanner or the face unlock. And guess where is the fingerprint scanner is? The front? The back? You are wrong. It's at the side. I personally like this feature very much because I got a small hand and I don't need to struggle thanks to the side button. As for the camera, it comes with an AI quad camera setup with a 64MP main camera, 30MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro lens, 2MP depth lens. And the punch hole here sports a 20MP selfie snapper. By the way, don't you think the design is kinda looks similar to the POCO F2 Pro? The feature that I like the most is the vlog mode. I can easily record clips by using the preset templates that include filter, transition, and the background music. This is perfect for people like me who don't know how to edit videos. Also, there's a clone mode which can help me to make a creative shot like this. Back then, I used the panorama mode to achieve this effect. According to POCO, this phone can charge up to 62% in 30 minutes thanks to the 33-watt fast charge technology. With a 5160mAh battery, it could last up to 2 days on moderate usage. Normally, big batteries are common for entry-level phones. So for the X3 to have this, it is a bonus. For the price is, ta-da! I think this phone is a solid mid-range phone and I really like the camera feature. However, I don't like the camera design because of the position and the shape. So what do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye! I'm Deborah, don't miss me!